The days of jumping into the car and going to the mall or the big box stores is quickly disappearing into the rearview mirror. Nowadays, people are more inclined to shop from, well, here. In fact, even before this coronavirus pandemic, online retail was growing leaps and bounds, according to the U.S. Department of Commerce. Consumers spent $601 billion online with U.S. merchants in 2019, up 14.9% in 2018. And that's not all. You know what? Let's get out of this. Whew, that's better. Now, as I was saying, that's not all. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, online sales are exploding. Many online retailers selling non-essentials are getting double and triple digits increase in their online sales right now. I mean, seriously, just look at Jeff Bezos, CEO of Amazon. He is set to become the world's first trillionaire because of this pandemic. But you don't need Amazon to win the online race. Shopify offers small and large businesses alike a powerful way to showcase and sell their products online. And even Shopify is seeing huge gains during this pandemic. Shopify reported that in their first quarter of 2020, sales grew by 47% to $470 million from the same time period last year. But let's kick it up a notch and ensure your Shopify store is a success with the help of one of my favorite tools, ManyChat, and a messenger bot. ManyChat Shopify Integration can help you capture buyer information and send important notifications via Messenger, such as shipping, order details, and the like. It can help you save the sale with abandoned cart capabilities, and ManyChat just rolled out a super easy coupon code integration that makes doing specials and even unique coupons with Shopify easy peasy lemon squeezy. So today, I'm going to show you how to set up the integration with ManyChat and Shopify, and also show you that new feature on how easy it is to send coupons to your Shopify shop using Messenger and ManyChat. So let's do this. All right, so we're going to head over into ManyChat here, and you're going to go to your settings right here and your integrations. When you get to integrations, you're going to go where it says Shopify. It's really easy to connect your Shopify with your ManyChat account. All you need is your domain for your Shopify account. So I grabbed that and I put it right here. All right, so you also have hide my current widgets from Shopify. You can choose to keep these widgets in, or you can take them out. It's up to you on if you want to have those little messenger widgets on your account. So I'm going to go ahead and hide mine for now until I have everything connected. So we're going to connect Shopify account. It's going to bring me to Shopify, and it's going to have me install the app at this point. So I'm just going through to make sure everything's set up correctly. And then click Install Unlisted App. All right. Now our Shopify store is integrated with ManyChat. Told you it was easy. This actually enables a way for us to trigger messages, like I mentioned before, for abandoned cart or shipping information or confirmation for orders. All that good stuff can be done. But I really want to show you this new feature that ManyChat just rolled out this last week, and that is the coupon codes that are integrated seamlessly with Shopify. So let's head over and let me show you that. So we're going to go to flows, and I'm just going to create a new flow just to show you what's up. All right, so we're going to come in here and we're going to select our content type, and we're basically going to do whatever it is that you want to do preemptive of giving them the coupon code. But I'm going to show you how to actually give them the coupon code. So you go in here where it says this little percentage sign, and you're going to click on new, and you're going to title your campaign however you're going to remember it. I'm just going to say BGB sale. You have two different types of coupons. You have the unique coupon or the static coupon. Unique coupon means that they're getting an individual coupon only specifically for that user. And then the static means everyone gets the same coupon code. Now in this example, I'm going to show you how to do the unique coupon, because historically when I've had to show tutorials on how to do coupon codes that are unique to the user, it is quite the line item of chores. We have to have bot fields and custom fields and Google Sheet integrations, and it's crazy. So I want to show you how easy it is using this Shopify integration. So we're going to go with unique coupon code. You're going to decide, do you want a percentage off or a fixed amount? I'm going to go with percentage, but keep in mind when you do percentage, only put in the number. Don't put in the percent sign, so you don't want to do that. And then prefix. Now this is optional, you don't have to do it, and you'll notice down here the example coupon, this is kind of what they're showing you. But if you want to make it real custom, here's what I like to do. I'm going to click on this. It's going to allow me to select from the custom fields, and I'm going to go with first name in this case, just as an example, and it's actually going to populate their first name as part of that coupon code, which I think is kind of cool. And then we're going to create that campaign. So there you go. Now they're going to get this BGB sale percentage, and they are able to use that coupon code and put that in your Shopify store, and it actually works. Now you can pour some gasoline to that fire that is your Shopify store during a time when online sales are surging. I have a question for you. What Shopify ManyChat integration feature do you want to learn next? Let me know down in the comments below, and you never know, might come up next week or the next. And if you have questions or you want to connect with other totally awesome bot shots like yourself, be sure to join my Baby Got Bot Facebook group. It is easy and it is free. I do live Q&As, answer your questions, and do lots of bonus trainings and tips. So check it out. The link is right here as well as pinned in the comments below. I hope to see you over there. If you found this particular video helpful, be sure that you share and subscribe. You know, as they say, sharing is caring. I release tons of new videos about messenger marketing and more here on the Baby Got Bot channel. So when you subscribe, be sure to hit that bell so that you get notified when new content hits the channel. Now, if you are ready to nerd out even more on bot magic, be sure to check out these videos popping up right now. And for you nerds who are into the stuff that's written on my shirt, this one just says, "Just a boss," over and over again, because you know I'm just a boss.